Andy is finishing the follower board, carefully drilling in the top bar. Nicely done, well done, good lad.
Beautiful.
Okay, our new client Mike is cutting 2 roof support bars. Fantastic, brilliant.
Okay.
And James is finishing our 2 roof support struts that will hopefully allow the roof to sit plumb on top of our main hive structure. Right, okay, Mike and James are seeing if our efforts have come off, so we need to turn it over.
Way the other way.
That's it.
That's it. The other way. We've done
Oh,
it,
oh, hang on.
Dead straight.
Is it? How's it looking that end? Yeah?
Yeah, looks alright. Yeah,
Oh, we've done it! Hey, well done! Great. Do you want to give him 5? Give me 5. Well done. Give Mike 5. Hey, that's good, isn't it? We've nailed. Okay, we're now drilling the entrance hole. Keep going. That's it. Well done, Andy. Good. Very good. Keep pushing. Gentle, firm pressure. That's it. That's it. Fantastic. That's really good. Keep going. It takes a while. Takes a while. You're nearly through. You're nearly through. That's it. Okay, Mike and Flinny are making the second B entrance hole with a very special drill bit. James and Mike are just applying glue so that we can place the last. Oh, and we're going to pop that down. That's it.
I'm doing my best.
Now move it along to where the pencil marks are. That's it. Good lad.